Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your order history on Grubhub. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in grubhub.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Grubhub website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and using your credentials. After you log into your account, you will be taken into the homepage for Grubhub, where you can immediately place an order. Now, if you wish to view your past orders and delete any order history, then click on your account icon at the top right corner to open up the quick menu. Now, from this quick menu page, go ahead and click on past orders, and now you will be taken into your order history page. Within this page, you will be shown all of the orders that you have made so far using the Grubhub website and application. Alongside all of the order, you will also find the delete button, which you can click on individually to delete all of the orders that you have made. You can also select all of the orders and then delete them all by clicking on the delete button. After you delete your orders from this page, your order history will be cleared, and when you come back to this website and refresh, all of the orders that you have deleted will no longer appear. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete and clear your order history on Grubhub. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.